day 3 of the 2012 NCAA Outdoor Track Field Championships with Laura Roxburgh, Mizzou Junior. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I had a great weekend at Austin to qualify and be here, and then tell me what the thoughts and feelings of making it and knowing you were coming here. What was that reaction like?
It was really exciting. I knew as the season played on that it was definitely a possibility if things went right in Austin, and I was really excited to race, and things just went well in Austin. I think it was just like going in with a bunch of race plans and knowing what it was gonna take to make it here, and just making sure it happened. So it was good. I was excited.
And then last night were the prelims, and it looks like you got out good, and we're right in the lead right the first lap or two. And man, at some point the pace just took off.
Yeah, it was rough. It went out how I wanted it to.
Sure.
And through the 800 too.
Do you know what the split was through 8?
Through 800, I think it was around 217.
Okay.
But it was hard because training was kind of off the past 2 weeks after regionals. I had a few bumps.
Oh no.
Injury possibilities, and so going into the weekend, I'd kind of done mainly cross training because I couldn't do my normal workouts.
Right.
So it was kind of nerve-wracking stepping on the track with all the bumps that had gone down the week before, but also just exciting knowing that this was my opportunity and I made it here, and the other stuff didn't really matter, and it was my chance to race. So it didn't go how I wanted it to go overall, but with all things considered, I don't really have anything to be disappointed about this year. So
well, it sure picked up. I mean, at some point in the race, and I think former Mizzou Sports Information Director of the track, Tom Lewis, said that it was fastest qualifier, non-qualifier. I think 4:13 something, didn't even make it to the finals.
Oh, 2 girls ran 4:13 and didn't make it. It was really impressive. So, and I got to watch that first heat, and they all ran awesome. So I knew it was gonna. I knew it was gonna be a race. So
getting here and competing, does that just obviously great experience and motivate you for the future, and get that under your belt and think, oh, I can be back here and do great things? Yeah,
I think it definitely lights a fire underneath you to get moving, and I don't know, it was just exciting, and it was a great opportunity, and I hope I'm lucky enough to get to come and do it again. So
and close to home, so family and friends were able to cheer you on?
A ton of family in town. Actually, my family's from Des Moines originally, so I had a lot of family cheering me on, so it was good. Well,
thanks for the time, and we'll get in and see how the other how the shot put goes for the ladies and Ricky in the 800.
Yep, thank you.